Today, I will be walking you through the transformation process and strategic analysis of motorcycles. Hero is not only India's largest two-wheeler manufacturer but also a global leader in affordable and efficient motorcycles. This presentation highlights how transformation basics inputs like raw materials, labor, capitals, and information into a world class motorcycle that are exported to over 40 countries. We will also look at the operational components, strategic decision, and marginal implication that ensures Hero stays competitive in rapidly changing automotive landscape. And by the end of this talk, I hope you all see how transformation efficiency is backbone of hero leadership in the industry. So here's the first slide. The inputs, the transformation inputs includes like raw material, steel and rubber, skilled labor such as engineer and technicians, capital in plants and R&D, and information from research and customer insights. Together, these are the foundation of Hero's transformation process. Moving further, the activities covers manufacturing, building engines, frames, assembly of all parts, and electronic packaging for safe transport and branding, and finally testing the performance, durability, and safety. Next, outputs. The outputs of motorcycles across models, byproduct like spare parts and waste, such as scrap and emission, Hero cycles. Hero recycles wherever possible to reduce environmental impacts. Moving ahead, the fifth slide shows the operational components. Hero operations rely on advanced facilities, automation, and R&D. The supply chain is global with strong dealer network and quality control uses ISO and Six Sigmas. Sustainability effort includes renewable energy and recycling. Next is all about strategic decision. As we all know, that strategic decisions are most important part in any company. Hero makes engines in-house but outsource some parts. It, its main hub is in India, exporting to 40 countries. Capacity is scaled with demand. Continuous improvement comes through lean practice and KCNs. Moving ahead, visual representation. This flowchart shows the transformation journey from inputs, transformation to activities, outputs supported by supply chain and logistic. It highlights how each step is linked is essential. And here, the marginal implication, efficient process lowers cost and boosts profit. Strong quality control increases customer satisfaction and sustainability builds long-term trust and strengthens Hero's brand. And yes, the last but not the least, the conclusion. Hero future lies in electric motorcycles and smart bikes, more automation, digital stimulation, and green manufacturing will improve efficiency. In conclusion, continuous transformation keeps Hero a global leader. Thank you.